There's truly nothing quite like the experience of picking a crisp, cool cucumber straight from your own garden. The anticipation as you spot that perfect plump cucumber hanging from the vine, the gentle snap as you harvest it, and the satisfaction of knowing you grew it yourself. These are simple joys that connect us to nature and to our food in a way that's hard to describe. The taste of a homegrown cucumber is something you have to experience to believe. It's vibrant, crisp, and bursting with refreshing flavor. So much more intense and satisfying than anything you'll find at the grocery store. Each bite is a reminder of the care and patience you've invested, and the freshness is unmatched. Sharing that first taste with family or friends in the garden makes it even more special. The best part? Growing cucumbers is surprisingly simple, even if you're just starting out or have only a small space to work with. Whether you have a sprawling backyard, a modest balcony, or just a few containers on a sunny windowsill, cucumbers can thrive almost anywhere. With a little planning and the right approach, anyone can enjoy the rewards of homegrown produce. All it takes is a bit of sunshine, regular watering, and some basic care. Watching your cucumber plants grow and flourish is incredibly rewarding. You'll find yourself eagerly checking on their progress each day, marveling at how quickly the vines climb and how the tiny flowers transform into baby cucumbers. After your first successful harvest, you'll be hooked for life. The journey from seed to vine is filled with small victories, like seeing the first sprout break through the soil, or noticing the delicate yellow blossoms that signal fruit is on the way. Each stage brings a deeper connection to your food and a sense of accomplishment that's hard to match. Gardening teaches patience, observation, and the joy of nurturing life. Imagine the delight of slicing your own cucumber for a fresh summer salad, or the pride in sharing a basket of your harvest with neighbors and friends. Homegrown cucumbers aren't just delicious, they're a way to bring people together, to share abundance, and to celebrate the simple pleasures of the season. In this guide, I'll walk you through every step of the process, from choosing the best cucumber varieties for your space and taste, to preparing your soil, planting seeds, and caring for your growing plants. We'll cover everything you need to know, whether you're a first-time gardener or looking to improve your harvest this year. We'll focus on easy, organic methods that work in harmony with nature, like using compost to enrich your soil, mulching to retain moisture, and encouraging beneficial insects to keep pests at bay. These techniques not only make gardening simpler, but also help you grow healthier, tastier cucumbers without harsh chemicals. So, are you ready to get started? Whether you dream of a lush, productive cucumber patch or just want a few vines for snacking, this journey is for you. With a little guidance and enthusiasm, you can turn your vision into a thriving reality, one that brings beauty, flavor, and satisfaction to your home. I'm excited to be your guide as you discover the joy of growing your own cucumbers. Together, we'll unlock the secrets to a bountiful harvest and help you become a confident, successful cucumber grower. Let's dig in and start this rewarding adventure. The first step is picking the right cucumber variety for your needs and space. Bush types are compact, great for containers or small gardens, and perfect for quick concentrated harvests. Vining types love to climb and produce over a longer season, ideal if you want a steady supply. Slicing cucumbers, like Marketmore or English, are best for fresh eating. Pickling types, such as Boston pickling, are short, crunchy, and perfect for preserving. Consider burpless varieties if you want a milder taste. Check seed packets for disease resistance and climate suitability. Choosing the right variety sets you up for a delicious, successful harvest. Healthy cucumbers start with healthy soil. They're heavy feeders, thriving in rich, well-draining, slightly acidic to neutral soil. Aim for a pH between 6.0 and 7.0. Test your soil if you're unsure. Add plenty of compost or aged manure a few weeks before planting. Compost improves structure, moisture retention, and nutrient supply. Good drainage is crucial. Cucumbers hate soggy roots. In clay soil, compost loosens and improves drainage. In sandy soil, it helps retain moisture. Prepare a loose, fertile bed about 6 to 8 inches deep. This foundation is key to strong, productive vines. Invest in your soil, and your cucumbers will reward you. With your soil prepared and the garden bed ready, it's time to begin one of the most rewarding parts of gardening, sowing cucumber seeds. This gentle act marks the start of a journey that, with a little care and patience, will lead to a bountiful harvest. Take a moment to appreciate the potential in each tiny seed you hold. These seeds, though small, contain everything needed to grow into vigorous, productive plants that will soon fill your garden with lush green vines and crisp cucumbers. If you're growing cucumbers on a trellis, the row method is ideal. Create a shallow trench in your prepared soil, and carefully space each seed about 6 to 10 inches apart. This spacing gives each plant enough room to stretch out and climb, ensuring good airflow and healthy growth. Take your time as you place each seed, imagining the vines that will soon reach skyward. Alternatively, you can use the hill method, which is especially useful in smaller gardens or for bush varieties. Form small mounds of soil, spacing them 3 to 4 feet apart to allow for vigorous spreading. Plant 4 to 5 seeds in each mound. This method helps the soil warm up faster and improves drainage, giving your cucumbers a strong start. Once your seeds are in place, gently cover them with about an inch of soil. Pat the soil lightly to ensure good contact between the seed and the earth, but don't compact it too much. Water the area gently with a fine spray or watering can, making sure not to wash away the seeds. This first drink is crucial for waking the seeds from dormancy. Over the next week or so, keep the soil consistently moist but never soggy. Cucumber seeds need steady moisture to germinate, which usually takes about 7 to 10 days. Check the soil daily, especially if the weather is warm or windy, and water is needed to maintain even dampness. Avoid letting the soil dry out, as this can delay or reduce germination. As your seedlings emerge and develop their first true leaves, it's time to thin them. In rows, leave 12 to 18 inches between each plant to give them space to grow strong and healthy. For hills, select the 2 or 3 most vigorous seedlings per mound and remove the rest. Thinning may seem harsh, but it's essential for preventing overcrowding and ensuring each plant has enough resources. To thin, use scissors or snip extra seedlings at soil level rather than pulling them out. This gentle method avoids disturbing the delicate roots of the remaining plants, helping them establish quickly and without stress. Early care is the foundation for healthy, vigorous cucumber plants. Take time to observe your seedlings, watching for signs of growth and responding to their needs. A little attention now, watering, thinning and gentle handling will pay off as your plants grow stronger each day. By following these simple steps, you're setting the stage for a thriving cucumber patch. The effort you invest now will be rewarded with lush vines and crisp cucumbers, making every gentle start worthwhile. Consistent watering is crucial. Cucumbers are mostly water and need steady moisture. Aim for 1-2 inches of water per week, more in hot weather. Water at the base, not the leaves, to prevent disease. Early morning is best for watering. Mulch around seedlings with straw or leaves to retain moisture, suppress weeds and regulate soil temperature. Leave a small gap around stems to prevent rot. As mulch breaks down, it feeds your plants. These simple habits lead to healthier, more productive cucumbers. Vining cucumbers need support. Trellises, fences, or cages keep fruit clean and save space. Gently guide vines onto supports, tying loosely with soft twine. Check and adjust as vines grow. They climb quickly. Prune yellowing or ground-touching leaves to improve airflow and focus energy on fruit. Remove lower side shoots if needed for tidier growth. The umbrella system, pruning lower shoots and letting upper ones hang, can boost productivity, but basic pruning is enough for beginners. Use clean scissors for cuts. Supporting and pruning your vines leads to healthier plants and easier harvests. Harvest cucumbers at their peak for the best taste and texture. Slicing types are ready at 6-9 inches, pickling types at 2-6 inches. Check your seed packet for specifics. Look for deep green, firm fruit. Yellowing means overripe. Use scissors or a knife to cut cucumbers, leaving a bit of stem attached. Harvest in the cool morning for crispness. Pick regularly, every day or two, to encourage more fruit. Don't let cucumbers get oversized and seedy. Frequent harvesting keeps your plants productive and your salads delicious. Cucumbers are sun-loving plants, and to truly thrive, they need full sun exposure, at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every single day. This sunlight is crucial for healthy growth, strong vines, and abundant fruit production. If your garden is shaded for much of the day, consider planting cucumbers in the sunniest spot available, or even using containers that can be moved to follow the sun. Remember, the more sunlight your cucumbers receive, the more energy they have to produce those crisp, delicious fruits we all love. Timing is everything when it comes to planting cucumbers. Wait until all danger of frost has passed and the soil has warmed up to at least 18 degrees or 65 degrees. Cold soil can stunt growth and delay germination, so be patient and let the earth warm naturally. Use a soil thermometer to check the temperature if you're unsure. Planting too early can lead to disappointment, as cucumber seeds and seedlings are sensitive to chilly conditions. Planting in cold, damp soil is a common mistake that can cause seeds to rot before they even have a chance to sprout. It's tempting to get a head start, but waiting for the right conditions will reward you with stronger, healthier plants. If you notice seeds not sprouting or see signs of rot, it's likely the soil was too cold or wet. Good drainage and proper timing are key to avoiding these issues. Once your cucumbers are growing, keep a close eye out for common pests like aphids and cucumber beetles. These tiny insects can quickly multiply and damage your plants by sucking sap or spreading disease. Inspect the undersides of leaves regularly, as pests often hide there. If you spot aphids, a strong spray of water can knock them off, or use a gentle solution of soapy water for more persistent infestations. Early intervention is the best way to keep pest populations under control. For cucumber beetles, hand-picking is an effective and organic method. Simply remove the beetles from the plants and drop them into a bowl of soapy water to prevent them from returning. This hands-on approach is especially useful in smaller gardens, and it helps you monitor your plants closely for any other signs of trouble. To create a balanced ecosystem in your garden, attract beneficial insects like ladybirds and lacewings. These natural predators feed on aphids and other pests, helping to keep your cucumber plants healthy. You can encourage them by planting flowers such as dill, fennel, and marigolds nearby. These blooms not only add beauty to your garden but also provide food and shelter for helpful insects. Beneficial insects are your garden's best allies, working tirelessly to control pest populations without the need for harsh chemicals. By fostering a diverse and welcoming environment, you'll see more of these helpful creatures, and your cucumbers will benefit from their presence. Remember, healthy cucumber plants are naturally more resistant to pests and diseases. Focus on prevention by providing the right conditions: ample sunlight, warm soil, and regular care. Mulch around your plants to retain moisture and suppress weeds, and water consistently at the base to avoid wetting the leaves, which can lead to fungal problems. Practicing organic gardening means working with nature, not against it. Use compost to enrich your soil, rotate crops each year to prevent disease buildup, and plant a variety of companion plants to support a healthy ecosystem. Avoid synthetic chemicals whenever possible, and let nature's processes guide your gardening decisions. With a little attention, patience, and care, you'll be rewarded with a thriving cucumber patch bursting with crisp, flavorful fruit. By following these essential tips, you're setting yourself up for a bountiful harvest and a garden that's full of life and vitality. You're ready to grow your own cucumbers from seed to harvest. Remember, gardening is about learning and enjoying the process, not perfection. Prepare rich soil, sow seeds, water consistently, and guide your vines. Mulch, watch for pests, and harvest at the right time. Share your bounty with friends and family. It's one of gardening's greatest joys. Even a small patch can bring satisfaction and connection. Take the first step, plant your seeds, and enjoy the journey. Wishing you a season full of crisp, homegrown cucumbers. Happy gardening.